Okay, first of all, I want to apologize for my messy sewing area. I don't have a dedicated sewing area anymore, so every time I do a video, I have to rearrange my bedroom, and that's why I'm not really consistent yet with my videos. I have a lot of sewing projects going on, as you can see behind my machine. And so it gets difficult having to rearrange my room, you know, after work, and so sometimes I kind of get behind. This video is for Jessica. She asked me how to finish up sewing the sleeve, and I think what she's asking is when you taper the side of your shirt, you tapered it up, but you want to go into the sleeve now. This right here is too small to fit in the machine. So I took my thread out, and I'm just doing this as a way to just demonstrate how to do it. So if you're taking up the sides and it's going into the sleeve, then this is how I would be doing it. So you're coming up the side, and I will actually sew it, but like I said, there's no thread. I just want to demonstrate how you get to the cuff. So if you're here, get my glasses. It can be a little tricky, so it's the sewing area that you're going to be working with is just going to get smaller and smaller. So here's your sleeve, here's the rest of your jacket, and it's your shirt, I mean, and you're just going to kind of inch it in, and it's just going to be tight, so just watch if you can. I have no thread in here, but the process is the same. And I'm using my fingers to keep everything flat. So here's the seam, and you're just keeping everything out of the way. It's not bunching underneath, it's still one layer of fabric. Okay, now I'm coming up to the cuff. Obviously, if you're doing this alteration, you won't have a cuff on there, so you'll just go to the end of the sleeve. And there it is. I'm at the cuff, and this is where you'll finish up that alteration before you put your cuff back on. You will have to adjust your cuff though, because if you're taking up the sleeve, your cuff is going to be too big. So you'll need to take care of that. If you need help with that, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you. Bye.